Meet the U.S. most sophisticated $220 million drone. The Northrop Grumman-made RQ-4, a Global Hawk, is no ordinary drone. The unmanned aircraft system is a premier provider of continuous surveillance, intelligence, and reconnaissance information. It is designed to gather near real-time, high-resolution imagery of large areas of land in all types of weather. It has a range of more than 12,000 nautical miles, can fly at high altitudes of 60,000 feet, and can stay aloft for 34 hours. At that height, the drone can see beyond the curvature of the Earth. In addition, Global Hawks may be used for surveillance, but they're not considered to be stealth aircraft. In technical terms, the drone is a U.S. Navy Broad Area Maritime Surveillance aircraft, which is a Navy version of the Air Force's high-flying RQ-4, a Global Hawk. In simple terms, it is an unmanned aircraft that is intended for surveillance at sea. Unlike the missile-launching MQ-1 Predator and MQ-9 Reaper drones that are used to conduct airstrikes, Global Hawk drones are unarmed, are used only to collect information. The drone has a 130 feet wingspan, similar to a Boeing 737 passenger jet. It is large, heavy, and slow compared to combat aircraft. However, such an aircraft would be carrying advanced technology, such as high-definition and infrared cameras, as well as sensors that can intercept telephone and radio chatter. For the record, Global Hawk has amassed more than 320,000 flight hours, with missions flown in support of military operations in Iraq, Afghanistan, North Africa, and the greater Asia-Pacific region. The system provides an affordable and flexible platform for multiple sensor payloads to be used together, delivering mission-critical information to various users around the world. In active operation with the U.S. Air Force since 2001, Global Hawk sees potential threats to allow commanders to gain greater understanding of an area of interest. These same intelligence-gathering capabilities also allow civil authorities greater ability to respond to natural disasters, conduct search and rescue operations, and gather weather and atmospheric data to help forecasters predict the paths of storms. And all that doesn't come cheap. The cost of a single RQ-4, a Global Hawk UAV, is approximately $220 million, depending on the configuration. Anyway, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more updates. Thanks for watching.